Welcome to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like as it will help us to reach more people. Today, we will see how to create a free ProtonMail account. The interesting fact about ProtonMail is that we don't need phone numbers or other verification methods to create a free ProtonMail account, and ProtonMail is considered to be more secure and privacy-oriented than other email providers. First, you have to go to the official ProtonMail site to create a new email account. For that, you can either click the link in the description or follow the steps as shown in the video. After entering into the official ProtonMail account, you have to click the Sign Up option in the top right corner to create a new email account. In the new window that pops up, you can select the account type you want. In the premium versions, you'll get much more storage and features. Here I will go with the free basic account. After expanding the free account type window, select the free plan option to register your email address. In the new window that pops up, choose your username and password. You have to retype your password for verification purposes. After you choose a username and a strong password, click on Create Account option. In the new window that shows up, there is an option to add a recovery method. You can add either one of your email addresses or phone numbers as your recovery method. Here I chose the skip option, as recovery methods can be also added later. In the next window there is a warning saying, as I didn't set a recovery method, it is impossible to recover the mail address if I forgot the password. I opted to proceed without the recovery method and clicked on the Confirm button. It is a good option to add a recovery method as there is no way to get your account back if you lost your password. In the next window, there are 4 plans: free, plus, professional, and visionary. According to your need, choose an account type and choose Select Plan. Here I choose the free account type, which has only limited account features compared to the premium plans. After selecting your required plan, you have to verify you are human for security purposes by either CAPTCHA, email, or SMS. Here I choose CAPTCHA and selected I am human option. After a short delay, your account will be successfully created. Here it says Welcome to Proton, and the mission is to build an internet where we are in control of the data and privacy, and this is the updated version of ProtonMail. Click on Get Started. On the next screen, you have to select a good display or username and click on the Next button. On the next screen, choose a theme of your liking. I chose the default Proton theme and clicked on the Next button. On the next screen, it says this mail can be used to access all the Proton services like VPN, Calendar, Drive, etc. After clicking on the Next button, a QR shows up. By scanning this, we can download the official ProtonMail app for both iOS and Android smartphones. After clicking on the Next button, there is an option to import your mails to the newly updated and encrypted Proton mailbox. I chose to import messages later and clicked on the Start using the ProtonMail option. That's it, your new ProtonMail account is created successfully. You can click on the App Selector option on the top left corner of your window to access more Proton products like Proton Calendar, Proton Drive, or Proton VPN if you want it later. If you find this video useful, consider subscribing and leave your valuable feedback as comments, as it will help us improve our videos and reach more people. Thank you.